Yep, just like a thumbnail. If you're looking at this, you probably done looked at a few videos. Think about buying one yourself. So this watching a video goes an hour long, like other dudes. Yeah, it works. I washed a 30-foot camper, a truck. About to wash the car. Basically, wash this Lincoln's been sitting for a few years near the tree. It's got a nice dirty hood, baked to the paint, and the trunk lid. Show y'all what a little bit it can do. Sometimes you get these on sale. I think I paid like $60 for it, but I don't remember. But I probably put 4 or 5 hours or more on it. But it stays making a little noise. I don't know if it's the pressure, water drop pressure. I got this tank here and a little short hose. But I'm about to wash this car. Maybe a lawn tractor, I don't know yet. So you can get one yourself and see. Reliability, I don't know, but it's only 4 or 5 hours, but I'm sure going to continue putting up more on it. So here we go. Mind y'all's ears. You can also adjust the top of it here. Try to do it one-handed. Go full open here. Well, I got it rinsed up now, and I'm gonna take some soap to her in water. This is the back side. I'll hit that real quick. I got the cell. Somewhat. The pressure dropping is probably because the tank I'm using. It's already low. But I was probably using on it 3-4 hours. Maybe used 100 gallons of water. So I'm gonna lather this up and go back to it. So pretty much we made this far in the video. Yeah, it works. So far it's been running pretty good. Besides the fluctuating water pressure, but I'm using on a tank. So we can catch them on sale. It's a good deal. I used to use the gas ones all the time, but constantly putting gas back in it every little bit. And that one gets, you turn, let go of the throttle, that is, the trigger, the water stops. But it's no cranking or anything, just plug it up and go. But sometimes that little breaker on the end, I'll show it probably toward the end. It's got a little breaker on it, charge protector, we call it. GFI thing on it. Sometimes every time you plug it up quick, so we gotta reset it. They could do a little better than that. And sorry people, I'm all getting on the thong, going on the hood like a white snake video. I'll break the hood. But nobody want to see that. It'd probably be funny though. I gotta do more of this. Go back to it. I'll rinse her off. Well, I got scrubbed up anyway. At least half the car. Time to wash it off. Well, that's good on that. Turned out pretty decent. Hit the engine bay, let it dry a little bit. You ever seen a guy drive a 6-cylinder V8 for 10,000 miles? There's this video, this dude had a couple down lifters. It rattles and rocks and smells like a freight train, but it's 8-cylinder, but it's only run on 6. I think I'll do a lawnmower video, the next video. Make a separate part of it anyway. I'll do a valve cover while I'm at it. Thank y'all for watching. Lord loves y'all.